guys ready for the snowstorm?
Yep.
Got your boots?
Check.
Do you have enough pairs of socks on?
Mom, I have 6 pairs of socks. I'm totally good.
Do you have on enough pants?
Yes.
Do you have on enough jackets?
Yes.
What about your head? Is your head covered good?
Our heads are good. Yes, you're torturing us. Can we go?
Fine, go.
Thank you.
Be careful, guys. Have fun.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. So cold. I feel like I'm in a winter wonderland.
Ouch, with the shovel?
I got you. You want to go? Oh, it's on. I got it.
Ouch.
Just kidding, Mommy.
Michaela blocked it for me. Thanks. That's shovel, Nigel. You could have hurt somebody.
Right.
This is such good snow.
It's the best.
This is the perfect snow.
Packs perfectly.
For a
Let's see that
snowball.
snowball.
For a snowman.
It's like
Look at that.
championship snowball edition right there.
Perfection.
My hands are
Perfection.
even cold.
Perfect. Some
Nigel, is that a snow boulder?
like
Good
this.
grief. Got me.
Want some?
Ouch. All right.
Our hands keep touch this little fluffy snow.
My turn.
It feels like fluffy slime, but just not stretchy and not slime, so pretty much just fluffy. Hey, you wanna go? Oh, it's on. Let's do it. You see this? We are about to make an igloo out of fluffy snow, and hopefully it works. So, you ready to make an igloo?
Yes.
Let's go!
It's the second day of spring, and we're about to go smell the flap. Oh wait, no, we're about to go play in the snow. What kind of spring is this? To you global warmingers, explain this. It's the second day of spring, and it's a blizzard.
Come on, we gotta hurry. Yeah, before Nigel beats us. I think we're gonna go. Okay, we gotta flip it. Flip it over here. Okay, ready? Yeah! It's gonna be so good.
More
Let's do
bricks,
it.
more bricks. See how Nigel's doing over here with his fort? How's your igloo coming? Good. How many do you have so far? Ooh, got a few. You need to pack those a little tighter before you dump them over. You want to make them high, right? Pack that bucket all the way to the top before you dump it. I like where you're going now. See your little line, your little fortress.
Flip it over. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Go. Nice.
You are banned from this space. You must be level 5 to enter.
Nigel built like a staircase. This is so cool. He put like
Ours is
circles
a
around
little
him.
bigger. His is round.
Yeah, I think
Don't
yours is gonna
step
be
on the
great.
circle.
Oh, sorry. Where's the hot chocolate, babe?
Hot chocolate is at Starbucks.
When I came in from playing in the snow when I was a kid, my mom always had hot chocolate waiting for me.
Okay.
I've just been out in the snow. Where's the hot chocolate?
Only difference is your mama doesn't live here. Boom.
You can ice skate on these streets.
Okay, let's go see your igloo. Come on. Where is it? Ah, right here? Okay. Looks like you guys got like 1/16 of it finished. All right, let's go look at Nigel's igloo. Kind of cool. Only partially done as well. You guys don't know what it's like to stay out in the snow and just play all day. This igloo should be finished. Why is everybody gone? How come all the kids left, Nadia? When we were kids, we would stay outside in the snow all day and night long. We would finish our fort. We would make a snowman. We would have a snowball fight. How come you guys didn't stay out and play longer?
I don't know. It's too cold. Watch this.
These kids are soft.
I'm gonna recognize this fort. Guys, should I recognize this fort? Comment if you think I should, and if you think I should not. I can't do it. He's gonna be really upset.
How's the igloo building going? I need it like 6 feet high. Can you guys do that?
Yes.
Layla is all for it.
Snow day's been pretty cool. Been out making snow angels and stuff. But now I feel uncomfortable because my butt hurts.